Welcome dear students, second year computer science class. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, operators and expressions. Today's topic is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators basically we know that specific mathematical operations is needed. When we start programming, we'll use different arithmetic operations to perform different operations, such as we normally add, subtract, multiply and divide values in different forms for different type of outputs. So arithmetic operations are similar or same we use in mathematics. Same operations, same rules we apply in arithmetic operators. For example, operator addition adds two values together, subtract two values different we subtract, then multiply two values and divide one value by another. Same rules we are following in our mathematics. And let's see, actually we have prepared example for C language program. In comment section you can see write a program for arithmetic operators. Examiner may ask you to write a program for arithmetic operators. By using, he can tell you or all arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. We have an example here. In first example we will try to make a program for just addition. We use arithmetic operators and in these operators we will select addition operator. Now as we have learned, you have to include libraries. For example, include stdio.h, include console input output.h. Then we have void main void, then clear screen. I have always told students that they must have make their habit to include all simple structures for all programs that you are using, and that will help you to minimize the mistakes. So clear screen for our clear the previous output. Then we are going to declare an integer which is a, and we are assigning value a equals to 9. Then comma and next variable integer again, because we are using integer values. So b equals to 4 comma and c will remain without assigning value, because c equals to a plus b, c equals to a minus b, c equals to a multiply b, or c equals to a divided by b. So this is for our result. Then we will assign formula. We will add formula. In which method we will add this value? Definitely c is without value, then we take output on the behalf of c. So c variable is c equals to a plus b and semicolon. Then we are going to add printf statement, simple printf statement without any addition. Printf a plus b equals to %c. Now you are getting why we are adding %c, because we are using integer variable, and backslash n for new line, and address of c, which will be the a plus b will be equals to c get ch. Let's see the output of our program. Now when you will execute your program, your output should be like this: a plus b equals to 13. In previous slide we can see a equals to 9 and b equals to 4. We are adding both values. C equals to a plus 9, 9 plus 4 equals to 13, means our program is successfully executed. Now again same example by adding subtraction. Write a program for arithmetic operators. Now we are adding two operators, addition and subtraction, in same program. You can make separate program for each operator, but I am giving you an example of how we can add multiple operators in a same program and we can get the accurate result. Similar same program, include stdio.h, then include console input.h, input output.h, void main void, clear screen. Now you are observing that beginning of program is similar for every program. That is important to remember few statements by heart when you are going to write a program. Without thinking, you have to put some data on your screen. Clear screen, at this point we have same program. Then again we are taking variable integer a equals to 9 and b equals to 4 and c is remaining same. You can see c equals to a plus b and printf, same statement until c. Again we are adding more statements, c equals to a minus b. Now again we are adding statement c equals to a minus b means 9 minus 4. Printf statement we are adding, again same structure we are adding for printf statement. %c a minus b equals to %d because it's an integer, \n for new line and c is the address, and get ch and finish. Then we execute it and let's see the output of that program. Again, now output you can see a plus b equals to 13 and a minus b equals to 5, both results in our screen. Now let's go for further. Now same example by adding addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now in this program, same program, we are using 4 arithmetic operators in same program. Again you can go through same program in same program, include stdio.h, include console input output.h, void main void, clear screen, integer a equals to 9, b equals to 4 and c is equals to nothing, then c equals to a plus b, printf, we will get the result of addition. Then c equals to a minus b, printf, same we will get the output for subtraction. Again multiplication, c equals to a multiplied by b, printf a multiplied b equals to %d \n and c. c equals to a divided by b, printf a divided by b equals to %d \n and c. Then c a division we are also taking reminder, printf reminder when the divided by b equals to %d \n from c. So similar structure, similar lines, similar, just we are adding addition, subtraction, multiplication and division sign between each statement and we are moving forward. So let's see the output of this program. Now you can see output a plus b equals to 13, a minus b equals to 5, a multiplied by b 36, a divided by b equals to 2, remainder when divided by 2 is b equals to 1. So we are also getting reminder from this program. So dear students, remember, when you are writing a program, you must know what kind of variable you are going to declare, what type of data you are going to use, so how many variables you have to declare. Before writing your program, you have to write in your handwriting and you have to prepare what is basically required program, why we are adding these variables, what kind of data we will get in the form of output, how we can get output, by which value, and by dividing or multiplying or addition, what kind of data we will get Most important, you have to remember the basic structure of program, because libraries are predefined libraries, they will not change. Void main void will not change. Only you have to consider what type of variable you are taking and how you will declare. Then printf have its own structure that cannot be changed. Getch is the same statement, and if you are opening program, then you have to close the program. That is very important. Next we will go for next other program, then you will learn easily. So I have assignment for you. Write a program for the following output. Means I have given values operators, then you have to add variable values and perform the same operation as you have performed in previous program. You are just changing the variables you are taking. So you may also change the values. X can be equals to 35 and y can be equals to 26, or you can change take any value according to your easiness. So then the final output will be displayed on your screen. It's better to add all values like I have added in this program, and similar you will program design, and then you have to show me the required output. Thank you so much, dear students.